Hi my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Joyce Queen, and today I'm so excited to share something really special with you. If you have been looking for a natural way to take care of your hair, help it grow, stop breakage, or even reduce aging, this video is for you. We are going to make our very own aloe vera oil from scratch. Yes, straight from the plant, and I will also show you how I applied it to my hair to keep it soft, healthy and moisturized. So go ahead, relax and stay with me to the end. You will love how simple and effective this method is. Let's get started. So here is how I began. I cut my fresh aloe vera into big chunks into a clean plastic plate. Then I added some clean water and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. This step is very important. It helps to remove the yellowish juice that can cause itching or irritation on your scalp. Take your time with this step, don't rush it. We want this aloe vera to be gentle and safe on the hair. And don't worry, once you start doing this often, it becomes part of your hair routine and your hair will thank you later. After soaking it, I cut off the sharp edges. And slice the aloe vera into smaller pieces. Now here is the interesting part. I didn't remove the green part of the aloe vera. Why? Because that green part is full of goodness. It has antioxidants, vitamins and minerals that help with hair growth and shine. The carrier oil I use is olive oil. Olive oil is amazing for dry hair. It helps to lock in moisture, leaving your hair soft, shiny and easier to manage. It strengthens the hair shaft, which helps reduce breakage and split ends, especially great if you are trying to grow longer and healthy hair. Olive oil soothes dry scalp if you struggle with dandruff or itchiness scalp. Olive oil can soothe and calm irritation thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties because olive oil is rich in fatty acids and antioxidants. It helps soothe your hair cuticles and add a natural healthy shine. Olive oil forms a protective layer over our strands, guarding against damage from styling or heat. I blended it all together to form a smooth mixture. Just look at the fresh green color. It's natural gift to us. Take your time to blend well. You want a smooth texture so your oil comes out nicely. Once I blended it, I pour the aloe vera mix into my pan, then put it on a low heat and stir it gently. Don't rush this part, my love. Let it cook slowly. We are not boiling it, we are infusing the oil so it can absorb all the nutrients from the aloe vera. Keep stirring gently and show it some love. The smell alone will tell you it's working. After cooking, I allow the oil to cool completely. Then I use a clean chiffon cloth to separate the pulp from the oil. Then I added an essential oil, tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has antibacterial and antifungal properties that fight off the buildups that cause dandruff. It keeps the scalp clean and fresh. These steps help seal in all that moisture, leaving your hair soft, shiny and healthy. And there you have it. Here, your own homemade aloe vera oil. Isn't that so satisfying? You can store it in a clean glass or plastic bottle and keep it in a cool, dry place. After making my aloe vera oil, I went ahead to show you how I used it on my hair. First, I sprayed water gently all over my hair to make it damp. Water helps to soften the hair and get it ready to absorb products. Next, I applied my leave-in conditioner. This helps to nourish and moisturize my hair deeply. After that, I used the aloe vera oil we made earlier and applied it all over my scalp and hair strands. I made sure to massage it gently into my scalp. Massaging helps to increase blood flow and promote healthy hair growth. Let me tell you why this oil is a game changer. Aloe vera is packaged with vitamin A, C, E for healthy hair, natural enzymes to help repair your scalp, moisturizing power to stop breakage. Making it yourself means you know what you are putting on your hair. No chemicals, no preservatives, just pure nature. Before we wrap up, let me give you a few final tips. You can use this oil 2 to 3 times a week. It works for natural hair, relaxed hair, dreadlocks, all hair types. Always massage your scalp, don't skip it. Be consistent, your hair will reward you with time. Don't give up on your hair, just love it, care for it, and it will grow. Trust the process. You don't need expensive products, you just need the right knowledge, and that's what I'm here to give you. If you found this video helpful, please support your girl by clicking that like button, dropping a kind comment, and subscribing to my channel for more hair care tips, DIYs, and dreadlocks tutorials. Let me know, have you ever made aloe vera oil before, or will you try this method? Thank you so much for watching and spending time with me today. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.